Safety Toolbox Talk number 53. Striking objects hazards that kills. Striking objects. Following contributors' injuries from striking objects. Contributors are thrown objects, poor housekeeping, shifting, falling material, improper use of tools, unsecured equipment, explosion, improper storage, equipment failure, horseplay. Striking objects. Preventers are must be considered to avoid injuries from striking objects. Preventers are pre-job discussion, good housekeeping, using work permit system, follow procedure guarding, secure, proper storage. Thank you.